What's up everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to restore your windshield wipers. So first of all, you need to take off your windshield wipers and you're gonna take it out like this. Here you're gonna see a cap that you need to take off, and then you're gonna see a nut. So take that nut off, and then you will grab your windshield wiper and you're gonna pull. I'm gonna show you right here how to do it. Here I'm taking off the nut, as you can see. Then I'm gonna pull up the windshield wiper and pull the windshield wiper out. I'm using just one hand, so it's difficult for me. So after you take off your windshield wiper, you can see I have it right here, and I'm gonna use this brake caliper paint that I have laying around. So this paint is good for this application also. So right here I'm gonna clean the windshield wipers with alcohol. This is a very important step because these windshield wipers are dirty. As you can see right here, it's dirty. So after you clean it up, you can put 3 layers of this paint like this, as you can see. Okay, after you put 3 layers and let it sit, right now I'm gonna put this trick locker to put the windshield wipers. You can see. And then you can see right here, this is the painted windshield wipers, and I'm gonna show you this old windshield wiper to compare. As you can see, this is the old windshield wipers, and this is the new ones, are much better. So I hope you like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.